You must have seen many YouTube videos to remain focused, but what I'm about to share with you today is going to blow your mind away. My name is Neha Bhatia. A very warm welcome to you at my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, so what are you thinking? Come on, quickly subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell button so that we are regularly connected. Today I'm going to share with you 3 golden rules to remain focused. So these 3 golden rules are such that if you just keep it in a notebook or on a piece of paper with yourself every single day and just keep a check of it, your focus will be at the peak, and I promise that. So please understand this, it is going to be a process, okay? And to remain focused, we have to understand that what are the distractions that's coming on the way and what is the process of that distractions. So if you understand the distractions, you will be able to understand the focus as well. So let's understand step by step. The first golden rule, my dear friends, is, I also call it a magic pill, is time. Hey, okay, stop. I am not talking about time management here. No. Although you will also be able to learn to manage your time with this one little process. Have you ever noticed that we use our time in a particular thing, in a particular task, and all of a sudden something else comes up, a new project. It could be anything, maybe related or not related to this one, and all of a sudden you are distracted, or you need to be at that particular place, or you need to be in that particular situation. Happens or not? So whatever time you are giving to a particular project or to a particular task, how are you dividing your time? How are you dividing your time? If you're able to divide your time, it's not just about managing the time, it's about dividing the time. If you're able to divide your time well, you will be able to be absolutely focused. Now, how will you divide your mind? By understanding the next 2 magic pills or the golden rules as well simultaneously, okay? So there could be any kind of distraction. There could be a new project, there could be somebody at the door, there could be Facebook, WhatsApp, notification, right? And all of a sudden my time is divided into something else. So the moment my time is divided, my focus gets divided. Got it? Number 2, the second golden rule, my dear friends, is mind. Oh my God, mind. Wherever your mind is going, your focus is being divided. So mind and time are kind of brother sisters, okay? So if your mind is being divided, it means that you are thinking about something else, right? Now, when it comes to time, time also could be your physical presence being utilized somewhere else. But when it comes to mind, your mind is somewhere else. Maybe you are still here, you are still on your laptop doing your work, and all of a sudden something else comes up and your mind gets divided. So focus is what? That undivided attention, right? So first thing is time undivided, second is mind undivided, and the third, which is my super favorite, is energy. How much of energy is being used in different tasks that you're doing? Let's say you are doing a particular task in your life. Now it could be anything. It could be your business, it could be your studies, it could be your relationship. Whatever you are doing, if your energy is being divided, even though you're trying to manage the time, you will not be able to remain focused. For example, you're really focused on a particular task, okay? And the deadline is 10 days later. And what happens is that one of your family member decides to come to your house, for example, and stay with you for a few days. So what is happening here is, you wanted to accomplish something and now there is a new thing that has come up. Time is going, but the energy is also going together simultaneously. So these 3 golden rules, if you just remember during the day that, okay, I was about to do this particular work and all of a sudden there is this notification, all of a sudden there is this guest, all of a sudden there is something that has happened all of a sudden out of the blue, and my energy is being drained or just divided, which means my focus is being divided. So how to bring that focus back is to bring the time, mind and energy together. And if these 3 things are together, your focus will be at the peak. So how about you please tell me in the comment box, what are your main distractions and what exactly happens when you lose your focus? Is it the time, is it the mind, or is it the energy? There are a lot of people who have come to me and they say that mostly it's a mind. I'm doing some work and just mind goes all around, right? And then there are also times with people when it is the energy, right? And it will all be together. It's not that your energy is being utilized into something else and your mind is not. And it happens, right? Your energy is going into something else. But you knew from the back of your mind that, you know what, I want to be focused. So what is happening is that there's this fight happening in the mind. Oh, I want to do that work, but I'm stuck here. I'm occupied here. So you are not 100% there. You're also not 100% here. So focus simply means undivided attention of these three things: your time, your mind, and your energy. Now, energy also means your vibrational. What vibrational level are you at? So you may be saying that I'm giving 100% time, my mind is also there, but if your energy is not at the peak, so you will not be able to get to where you want to. However, if your time is, you're able to give the time to that particular task or to that particular situation, and you're also putting your mind into it, energy just kind of come to you, right? But if the three of them are completely together, you get amazing focus and amazing results. And let me tell you a secret here, you also get manifestation. You also start to manifest things all of a sudden. You try to do this, okay? Don't try, actually, do it. Do this with something for at least an hour. You will be in a different energy altogether. You will be so focused, your concentration will be so high, and you will feel very energetic inside of yourself. So time, mind, and energy. Please do share it in the comment box. How did you like this video? And if there is any question that you have for me to answer through this YouTube or through Facebook or any other platform that I am at, please make sure that you share that with me. Write to me at info@nlpwithneha.com, and also do check out nlpwithneha.com, our website, to know what all courses we are giving. And one of the recent course that we have come up with is Fear to Freedom, and it is only for 99 rupees. Did I just say that? Yes, I said that, and it's true. So how about you quickly get on that website and check the links below, check more videos, and get in touch with us, because it's time to be absolutely focused to get to where you really want, to get the desired results that you want. This is Neha Bhatia signing off for now. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget, okay? Thanks.